everyone, and thanks for joining me today for Origami with Miss Cynthia. Today I will show you how to create a duckling. Now stick around so I can share with you our summer reading secret code. Now let's get started. The supplies you will need are one 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper, scissors, glue, coloring supplies, and optional googly eyes. Alright guys, go ahead and grab your sheet of paper and bring that corner to the bottom, folding that triangle shape. Go ahead and cut off that side piece. We're trying to achieve cutting a square out of this sheet of paper. Alright, and then next we're going to open it up and create a kite fold. So bring your left and right into that middle crease there and create that kite fold. Just like this, okay? So let's go ahead and face our kite so our foldings are on the right hand side and then this is on the left. Go ahead and bring this point all the way clear across to the left so it matches and it aligns to this point here and crease here. Go ahead and bring it back over. Now this right point, we're going to bring it to the edge of these little flaps here. Just like this. And we crease again. Just like that. This left side here, go ahead and bring this point to the center there. And we crease. All right. Go ahead and flip it over. Now on the back side, you'll see this little crease going on here. What we're going to do is just fold it to the left and we crease and then we flip it over again. Just like this. Make sure that we're back into position, okay? This triangle here, the little flap here, this will be your duckling's beak. So you can just fold it over to your right, your desired length, because this will be your duckling's beak, and we crease. Now go ahead and fold the entire piece in half and crease really good, just like this. Okay, now we're going to separate the head here and align this like neckline here to the body of your duckling. So go ahead and just bring up the whole entire piece here, this head part, and the neck, you're going to align it to its body, just like this. And we crease on the chest part here. All right, and then we go through it and we crease it really nicely good. You can adjust its little beak here, just like so. And now we get to add some color to our beak. And if you want to add googly eyes, that's perfectly fine. Or you can just also draw in your eyes to your little duckling. Aren't these adorable? I love this little duckling, it's cute. Let me show you the one that I did with our little cute googly eye there. All right guys, and here is your origami duckling. And now for our summer reading secret code. It is Watch 9. It can be entered at www.maricopacountyreads.org and redeemed for additional points. Don't forget to send in a picture of your masterpiece to library@buckeyeaz.gov for additional points. And if you haven't signed up already to the summer reading program, it is not too late. I hope you have enjoyed this video and see you next week for more origami fun. Bye!